Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel, and today I am gonna unbox this Fastrack Reflex 2.0 new smartwatch. Here are the features: call and WhatsApp display, camera control, find your phone, IPX6 water resistant, sedimentary reminder, vibration alarm, 10 days power reserve, and sleep tracker. Oh, LED. Okay, let's open this. This is the warranty card. This is the watch. It looks so awesome. Now we have to charge it using this USB, and it will be ready. Now I have connected it to my phone. Let's see. Steps. Calorie is burned. Location. Timer. Target completed. Notifications. Camera. By long pressing it, we can open the camera app on our phone. Next, bright day and night. Next, find my phone.